Hi guys, my name is Bhooki and welcome to my channel. In this pattern and sewing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a twisted turban headband. This is very easy to make and requires minimum cutting and sewing skills. So without wasting your time, let's get to it. These are the measurements I'm going to be using. To begin, I'm going to be using this beautiful tartan fabric, which I have cut using the previous measurements. Next, I'm going to fold the 3 fabric pieces in half, secure them with some clips, and then sew a straight line along the edges using a 1 cm seam allowance. Once I'm done, I'm going to turn all the pieces inside out. Please make sure that you align the seam line at the center of the fabric and iron it. Once I'm done, this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to insert the elastic band into the smaller fabric. To do this, I'm going to insert a safety pin into one end of the elastic and then insert it into the fabric, while using my other hand to hold the other end of the elastic. This allows me to easily slide the elastic band through the fabric just like so. Once I pass the elastic through, I'm going to secure the 2 edges with some clips and then sew a straight line. While we're learning, please can I ask you to support my channel by subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. This means a lot to me and it tells me that you enjoy watching my tutorials. Thank you in advance. Once I'm done, this is what it looks like. I've ironed the other 2 larger pieces and now I'm going to fold one piece in half just like so. Next, I'm going to place one end of the elastic piece at the center of the folded piece and then overlap the ends on the top of the elastic band. Then I'm going to sew a straight line. You might find it bulky, so be careful while sewing. Once I'm done, this is what it looks like. Next, I'm going to insert the other larger fabric in between the other one to form a twisted loop just like so. Then I'm going to repeat the previous steps by inserting the end of the remaining elastic band, placing it in the middle and overlapping the ends. Once I'm done, I'm going to sew the ends of the folded parts. The final steps are to trim off any excess fabrics and clean up the sewn edges. For me, I used an overlocker to do this. Next, I'm going to turn the elastic seam inside and pull in the fabric to ensure that it's properly tucked in. I'm going to repeat this on the other side. Now we're done. Very easy, isn't it? I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and please do not forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, please put it down in the comment section below and I'll try and get back to you as soon as I can. Until next time, my loves, have a good morning, afternoon or night. Bye.